welcome to my new DevOps course, Git and GitHub and integrate with Jenkins and Maven. So this course completely a step-by-step guide from scratch and learn Git and GitHub and master working with commits, branches, cherry picking, rebasing, pull request and many more. So this course is completely based on real projects with scenario-based examples. You will also learn Jenkins integration with GitHub Repository. And at the last I will show you how to create a Java-based project using Maven tool in Jenkins. I am a instructor for this course and I will be teaching you the Git skills to boost your career with practical and industrial approach of learning. I have been working in IT industry for years now. I am having 14 years of IT industry experience. My passion is to create online job-oriented certified courses. I have been teaching over 250,000 students online. If you are new to Git, please start from very beginning, learn how Git works and how to perform basic operations. Git add, Git commit, Git branch. So this course is all about Git and GitHub. So what are the requirements or prerequisites for taking this course? PC or laptop with internet connection. No prior Git or GitHub or web development knowledge is required. Even if you are fresher, you can join this course. You just need to have ability to install software on computer. An email address is required to create a free GitHub account. I have divided this entire course into several sections. Here we have introduction, working with branches, conflict resolutions, real project example, scenario based cases, GitHub deep dive, cherry pick, tags, rebase and merge. And the last section is integrate Jenkins with GitHub repository and Maven project. In the introduction section, I will start with an overview of Git and GitHub. I will show you how to create a GitHub account, how to create a repository and how we can clone a remote repository to your local machine. We'll discuss about distributed version control system, how to do the Git configuration, various stages in Git, how we can use the git pull, git push command. The next section is working with branches. So we'll start with introducing branches. What are the various branches like feature branches, release branches, hotfix branches. So here you can see the number of lab sessions. We'll understand the pull request, how to merge one branch into another branch, how to add reviewer in the pull request with branch protection rules. So a lot of things we are going to understand in this section. The next section is conflict resolutions. Here we'll understand conflicts in Git merge. I'm going to create a scenario where we'll have the conflicts while doing the merge. And then we'll show you how we can resolve it. I will show you with one software Tortoise Git which will help you to resolve the conflicts. The next section is real project examples, scenario based cases. So that's a very important section. Here we'll understand git clean command, undoing changes on existing file, git revert, git reset, git fetch, git pull and the differences between various commands. The next section is GitHub deep dive. So in this section we'll understand about important topics like cherry pick, tags, rebase and merge. So that's also a very important section. The next section is the most important section. Here we'll understand integrate Jenkins with GitHub repository and Maven project. So we'll start about Jenkins. I will show you the installation of Jenkins, Java, Maven and Git on EC2 instance which is based on AWS environment. Then I will configure Jenkins on that virtual machine and will show you how to configure GitHub credentials and Maven location on Jenkins. And finally, I am going to create and build the Java-based project using Maven tool. I will also show you how to add the plugins in Jenkins. So that's all about this course module. I hope you are going to learn something new in this course. So who this course is for? Anybody who wants to learn what version management is and how it can help to organize your code and projects efficiently. Software engineers, developers, and programmers new to Git, they all can join this course module. I hope by now you are convinced. Still, if you have any confusion, you know the policy, 30 days money back guarantee. So are you ready for the challenge? If yes, then let's learn and grow together. Thank you.